Hey everyone, this is Amelia and I'll be giving voice to this course by Wadapinos. Throughout the different lessons, we'll be learning to create our own Venetian carnival costume. So if Carnival is your favorite celebration, this course is for you. We'll be talking about Carnival, what it is about, and after that, we'll start working with our costumes designs. We'll be creating various designs and picking one of them for our final drawing. After finishing the sketches, we'll be working with different color concepts in order to get the appropriate color range for our design. After all these steps, we'll be drawing our illustration and applying color to get the final composition that we are going to nicely arrange to get a professional presentation. So let's join Carnival Design and get ready to have lots of fun. See you in the course!